Curried potato stir-fry is a tasty and super easy side dish where julienned potatoes are stir-fried with ground meat and seasoned with a savory curry powder. The combination of tender potatoes and aromatic spices makes this dish wonderfully comforting yet simple to prepare. First, we peel the potato. We are using one large yellow potato, or you can use a couple of small ones. Slice it thinly and cut into very thin strips. Slice the green onions thinly on a diagonal and set aside. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat and add the ground pork. Ground beef or chicken works just as well. Break it apart and cook until browned and crispy. Add the potato strips and stir fry until they become translucent. Season with salt, sake, soy sauce, and curry powder, and cook for another minute, stirring constantly. Finally, add the green onions, toss quickly, and remove from heat. It's delicious when freshly made, but it also tastes great when cooled, making it a perfect addition to a lunchbox too. With just a few ingredients, you can have a simple yet satisfying side dish. Hope you try it!
美味しい。美味しいね。